Hey there, today we're going to look at how to add video in Miro Board. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to miro.com. Over here, click on the login button. After that, sign in using your email or Google account. Then, on the dashboard, click on the board you want to work on. Over here, go to YouTube or Vimeo and copy the video link you want to add. Then, return to your Miro board. Over here, right click on the area where you want to place the video and paste the link. After that, click the upload button from the toolbar or sidebar. Then select upload via URL. Over here, paste the copied YouTube or Vimeo URL. Then wait for a few seconds and the video will appear on your board. After that, you can resize and move the video as needed. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.